Hi friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, where today we are going to be looking at these brand new Amigurumi kits from Lion Brand. Lion Brand is releasing 3 DIY Amigurumi kits. I have 2 of them here. I have Boba Cow Charlie, Cookie Turtle Tim, and then the third one is Ice Cream Axolotl Ari. There it is. Look at how cute. I am really excited about these kits because they are beginner friendly and they have all the essentials that you need to begin your crochet journey into Amigurumi. These kits come equipped with easy to use yarn and all the materials that you need so that you can take it anywhere. You have lots of customization options that will allow you to personalize your cute character. This is a very user-friendly experience because it comes with step-by-step text and video instructions. Your kit is portable and you can use your instructions on your phone or tablet. You can also track your progress line by line to pick up where you left off. You can click on any stitch within the pattern to watch the tutorial. So in this box, you have absolutely everything you need. You have yarn, you have a yarn needle, a crochet hook, glue, felt, scissors, stuffing, plastic eyes, and 3 stitch markers. You can then use the app on your phone to follow your instructions and share your creation. You will be able to customize Cookie Turtle Tim with milk chocolate, white chocolate, and mint chips. Some special kits will contain a golden card that can be traded for a prize. Make sure you share your finished project on social media and tag at Yummy Friends World and Lion Brand so that you could see the selection of prizes. All right, let's open this up and take a look at everything in here. Okay. You get this really cute little project bag and it has a ruler on it, which is great. We've got all of our different pieces of felt. When you find this card in your kit, you're going to scan this. It's going to take you to Ribblr, and that is going to give you your user-friendly experience with step-by-step text and video instructions. You will also be able to track your progress line by line to pick up where you left off. And this is also where you are able to click on any stitch within the pattern to watch a video tutorial. We have all of our yarn. Look at how cute these are. This yarn feels really great. It's a chainette style yarn. Oops, got some black. We get this perfect little bag of stuffing. Glue. There's a lot of glue in here. You're definitely going to be able to hold on to this and use it for other projects. So that is a steal right there. We've got, oh my gosh. Check these out. Oh my goodness. These are great. Wow, guys. Oh, this is probably my favorite part. Okay, we have our darning needle in this nice little tube so we don't lose it. A wonderful ergonomic crochet hook. It's a 4mm. And then we have our stitch markers. Oh gosh, look at these stitch markers. I love stitch markers like this. And then these are for our eyes. So right here, I have everything that I need in order to make Cookie Turtle Tim, and everything on here is set up so easy to make your first amigurumi. I am really excited about this. He's so cute. I am going to get started with this right now so that this way I can pop back in and let you know how this all went. I'm sure it's going to go smoothly because it's Lion Brand and Ribblr, and they're fantastic. If you haven't heard of Ribblr yet, definitely go check them out. You will love them. This is a great project to introduce you to Ribblr. And yeah, I'm gonna go get making, guys. All right, guys, check this out. I finished up Cookie Turtle Tim. I flew through this project. I had so much fun with him. So I didn't get to take a lot of progress stuff along the way. I mean, I do have a reel up on Instagram right now where you can kind of see a couple of little quick clips, but I did not document him as much as I would have liked to. He was just so much fun to make. I just couldn't slow down. But look, isn't he cute? Oh gosh, I love him. I decided to do mine with the white and milk chocolate chips. Mix it up a little bit. I'm not a huge fan of mint chips. I like mint ice cream, but not mint chips. So here is my Cookie Turtle Tim. I'm gonna go hand him over to the boys now. They have been dying to play with him, but I said, you gotta wait until I share him with you guys and take some pictures. So I'm all done now and they can have him. I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing and taking a look at these new Yummy Friends World Amigurumi kits with me. Make sure you go check out the links in my description below. I have links to all 3 of them, and there's also a special coupon code down there for you to get $5 off. I really appreciate all you guys and have fun making.